Hey, what's up guys, TechVid Kid here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Super Mini Entertainment System Classic Mini Entertainment Classic System, games included. Obviously, Super HD Mini Classic Edition Super Mini Entertainment System. Enough with that. Despite the long name, this is actually a pretty cool product. This right here is a NES remake, an off-brand one, sure, but today we're going to be unboxing it right after the intro. Okay, so here we go, guys. We have the Super HD Mini Classic Edition Super 8 Mini Entertainment System. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So it has 821 built-in classic games. We're not sure what the classic games is because they're avoiding copyright from Nintendo and like Bandai Namco and all the other companies, classic game companies. So this works with NTSC and PAL. So you can use this in both like European areas and America. So it's pretty loosely packed. There's no tape, and the package is a bit bulgy. Hope they didn't pack a glitter bomb in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So first we have this right here. So let's go ahead. First thing we see is our controllers, the wires for our controllers. And then if we go ahead and pull that out, oh wait, it's upside down. Go ahead and pull that out. Whoa, it's totally not something that was created by a different company before. It's remote number 1. Yeah, and so like they use these default controller plugins. I forgot what they're called. So they are the same things that I have for my remake NES. It's not a real one that it's not the real one that Nintendo made in 2017. It's a remake one that some other company, probably the same one as this, made after they discontinued that, after Nintendo stopped making the other one. So here we can see the accessories, and here's the console itself. Let's go ahead and set that to the side. We have 2 controllers that are totally not the same as another controller I've seen before. And then, here we see HDMI cable, and then a power adapter. It uses micro USB to charge, HDMI to plug into the TV, and yeah, so here it is. It's basically a tinier, no, this is a completely new and unique idea. How am I supposed to plug anything in like this? Like, what? No, wait, do these even plug in? Can these even plug into here? They fit. They actually fit. So, yeah, I guess that works. Here we can see this design that was totally never stolen from anyone. Yeah, on the back we have micro SD. Is that a micro? Oh, they put this on a Raspberry Pi, didn't they? That's pretty... Nokia. Huh. It's a Nokia SD card. This is probably a Raspberry Pi with, like, that one custom NES firmware installed on it. And that's pretty cool. They actually used something that was not pre-made by another person. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this hooked up to my monitor. It's on. What do you mean no signal? It's plugged in right here. Anyway, I think it's... Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and, No, it's not... Oh, I forgot start. Whoa. 1942, 1943, 1945. The best games ever. Let me find Mario. Just a second, guys. Mario's Time Machine. They did not do this. They put... This is Angry Birds on here. Alice Cooper. That looks a lot like Mario Bros. To me, doesn't it? Yeah, they don't even have Mario on here, and also it's not 821 games. It's really only 644. The rest of them are just duplicates. So yeah, guys, there's not even Mario on here. There's just this Super Mario's Time Machine. But yeah, guys. Here we go, Super Mario's Time Machine. Yoshi! Dang, you are loud. Oh wait, how do I get out of here? Okay, there. Oh no. Mario! Yeah, so this is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Classic Mini Entertainment Super Mini HD Classic Entertainment System Classic TV game. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe. Bye!